Hello everyone, first we're gonna take this low ponytail and then adding this clip on the top. Then we're gonna divide the ponies in 3 hair strands and then attaching it to our clip. Then taking the hair above and converting them into a beautiful bun and adding this clip. Next, we're gonna take this high ponytail, adding this black clip at one side, then taking the hair and then making a round shape bun, adding this marble pin to enhance its look and for securing it tightly as well. Next, we're gonna take this clip and then applying it underneath our ponytail, then taking the remaining hair, folding it out into a bun and then adding this black clip to complete our hairstyle. Next, we're going to take all of the hair and by using our finger, we are going to fold it out into a straight bun and at the end adding this clutcher. Next, we're going to take this high ponytail, folding it and adding this rubber band at some part of it and then adding again a rubber band at the middle and then folding it out into this puff bun. Next, we're going to take our hair and then by using our finger, we're going to twist them and then folding them into this straight shape bun, further adding this green clutcher and it's ready. Next, we're going to take this low ponytail, then by using this tool, we are going to fold it at one side and then adding a rubber band, further folding it out into a bun and adding this beautiful butterfly clutcher for securing it. Next, we're going to take all of the hair making a low ponytail and simply folding it out into the inwards direction and adding this blue colored clutcher to it. Next, we're going to take this low ponytail and then by using this clutcher, we are going to twist it out and then folding it into a simple bun and now it is ready. Next, we're going to take this clip and then adding it to our hair. Then we're going to take 2 hair strands which are twisted from each side and then attaching them to our clip and your hairstyle is done. Next, we are going to take all of the hair and then by using our finger, we are going to convert it into a straight type bun and adding this flower clip for securing the hair tightly. Next, we're going to take some hair, twisting it and then adding this clip. Then taking some more and doing the similar step. Then taking all of the hair and then passing them to the opposite side of the clip. And now taking all of the above hair and then folding it out into a bun. And now you can see you are done with your hairstyle.